Hello and welcome to this presentation of Fortra's Globalscape Managed File Transfer Solution. In this video, we'll be discussing Pretty Good Privacy, also known as PGP. We'll demonstrate Globalscape's PGP key management interface and use event rule automation for encryption and decryption. After logging in successfully, you can easily access the PGP Key Manager by selecting Tools on the top menu bar, then select Manage Open PGP Keys. Here you can see the PGP keys that have already been imported to the site's configuration. You can sort by name, date created, expiration date, size, ID, usage, and description. Selecting Import will open Windows File Explorer to choose the PGP keys you wish to import. We can also create our own keys by selecting New. This opens up the OpenPGP Key Generation Wizard. Selecting Next will prompt for key parameters for the PGP file name, the email address associated with the PGP key pair. You can choose your key cipher, key type, and key length, as well as expiration options. Selecting Next will prompt for a passphrase and confirmation of that. Another option to make this key pair as the default key pair for the site. Unchecking this just creates the PGP key in the key ring. Selecting Finish prompts for one more validation to complete the creation of this PGP key. To perform the automation, we configured a file uploaded event trigger with defined conditions, including a specific username and excluding files where the file name matches the PGP extension. The cryptography OpenPGP encrypt file action was then applied under these conditions to the FS path variable, which represents the event source file. We'll now log in as a user and upload a file to trigger this event. Logging in via the HTTPS portal, I've selected a non-PGP encrypted file to upload. Once uploaded, I see within my history I've uploaded that file, and then upon refreshing the directory, I see now that the file has been encrypted with the PGP file name extension. For the decryption event rule, we have a similar on-file uploaded rule. However, we're looking for the file name that does contain the PGP file name extension. I'll log into the web transfer client again, and this time upload a file that has already been encrypted with PGP. After confirming a successful upload, I will refresh the directories to see that the file has now been decrypted, shedding the PGP file name extension. This concludes our demonstration of Globalscape's PGP capabilities. You saw how intuitive the management and creation of PGP keys is within Globalscape MFT, and how Globalscape automates the entire encryption and decryption process using event rules. Thank you.